In the world of modern air combat, every nation is searching for one advantage: stealth, speed, firepower, or cost. Only a few aircraft manage to deliver even two of these. But in 2021, Russia claimed it had built something that could deliver all four. A jet designed to rival the F-35, cost a fraction of the price, and bring fifth-generation capabilities to nations locked out of Western technology. Its name, the SU-75, Checkmate. But is it a breakthrough or a brilliant illusion? Today we're breaking down the weapons, the systems, the stealth, and the high-tech features Russia says could change the fighter market. We'll separate reality from hype. The idea behind the Checkmate. The Su-75 was not built to dominate the skies of Russia. It was built for the rest of the world. A single-engine, single-seat fighter designed to deliver modern stealth, offer high-end weapons, operate on a limited budget, and bypass Western political restrictions. Russia hopes this jet will flip the board, one export customer at a time. Stealth and airframe, built to hide. Stealth isn't an upgrade on the Su-75. It is the foundation. The aircraft features a diverterless supersonic intake, hides radar reflections, and reduces moving parts. V-tail configuration, a blended tail that reduces radar signature from multiple angles. Shaped surfaces. Every edge and panel is aligned to scatter radar waves. Internal weapons bays. Weapons are stored inside to maintain stealth during combat. Is it as stealthy as an F-35? Probably not. But compared to Su-30s, Su-35s, or MiG-29s, this is a whole new generation. Engine and performance. Promise versus reality. At its core, the Su-75 has a single engine derived from Su-57 technology. On paper, Russia claims speeds approaching Mach 2, high agility for dogfighting, a strong thrust-to-weight ratio, a service ceiling on par with Western jets. A single engine means lower fuel consumption, fewer parts to fail, easier logistics, and cheaper operation. But here's the catch. The jet hasn't flown yet. Everything is projected, not proven. Weapons, air-to-air dominance. The Su-75 promises modern air-to-air firepower inside a stealthy frame. Short-range dogfight missiles, R-74M and R-74M2, can track targets at extreme angles. Helmet-mounted targeting for pilot guidance. Heat-seeking precision. Beyond visual range missiles, R-77-1, active radar guidance, designed to challenge Western missiles like the AIM-120 AMRAAM. If these systems integrate properly, the Su-75 could strike long before it's detected. Weapons, strike missions. The Checkmate isn't only a fighter, it's a strike platform. Expected loadout includes KA-B series precision bombs, KH-38 modular missiles, anti-radiation missiles for hunting enemy radars, anti-ship weapons for naval engagements. Russia also hinted at new compact weapons designed specifically for the Su-75's internal bays, allowing stealthy strike missions without external hardpoints. Avionics and sensor suite. This is where Russia claims a technological leap. The Su-75 is expected to feature an AESA radar based on Su-57 technology, IRST for passive target tracking, electronic warfare systems for jamming and deception, and a fully digital glass cockpit. But the centerpiece is sensor fusion, a system that unifies radar, IR, and electronic signals into a single tactical picture. If it works as advertised, the pilot sees more, reacts faster, and makes fewer mistakes. Network-centric warfare. Modern warfare demands connectivity, and Russia promises the Su-75 is built for it. The jet is designed to share targeting data, coordinate group strikes, and link with drones and ground systems. Russia has even teased an unmanned Su-75 variant, a loyal wingman drone concept, and semi-autonomous strike operations. In theory, one pilot could command multiple unmanned aircraft from the cockpit. In practice, the technology remains unproven. Cost, maintenance, and logistics. To win export customers, Russia must beat Western jets on cost. They claim the Su-75 will feature a predictive maintenance system called Matreshka, built-in diagnostics, a small ground crew requirement, and an APU that allows remote operations. The pitch is simple. F-35 features at 4.5 generation prices. The reality? No verified numbers, no production line, no flight hours. The reality check. Every bold claim depends on one thing: actual flight testing. And right now, the jet hasn't flown. Sanctions are choking access to key components. Funding challenges remain. Some systems exist only as digital models. The Checkmate is ambitious, but ambition doesn't win dogfights. Proven performance does. On paper, the Su-75 Checkmate looks like a game changer. Stealth-inspired airframe, modern weapons, advanced sensors, ambitious drone integration, attractive cost promises. If Russia can deliver everything it claims, the Su-75 could become the most significant export fighter of the next decade. But until it takes to the skies and survives the brutal testing process every real fighter must face, the Checkmate remains exactly what its name suggests: a move on the board, waiting to see if it traps the opponent or collapses on its own weight. If you enjoyed this deep breakdown, hit like and subscribe. Now tell me in the comments, is the Su-75 a future threat or just a marketing weapon? Thanks for watching.